Welcome back to our workshop. I'm Laurent from thunderlaser. This is the part 2 of our Titan laser source replacement series. In part 1, we swapped the fiber source. Today, we are tackling the big one, the RF CO2 laser source. This involves a bit more disassembly, but I will walk you through every screw. Let's get started!
Grab your hex keys, your Phillips screwdriver, your alignment tape, and this time you will need two 13mm open-head wrenches for the main power cables. And for sure, safety first, don't forget your CO2 safety glasses.
First rule of the workshop, kill the power. Unplug the machine completely. And since we will be test firing later, make sure your CO2 safety glasses are ready. Before we touch the source, we have to clear the path. Remove the cover, slide the beam expander straight out, set it aside on a soft close. Unscrew and remove the shutter blade, and finally disconnect the red dot cable. Now the path is clear. Now, for the main holder assembly, it's secured by 4 2.5mm hex screws. Loosen them evenly, then carefully lift the entire bracket away from the chassis. Now the laser source is fully accessible. Electrical time. Unplug the signal code. For the power cables, use one wrench to hold the base and the other to loosen the nut. Do not twist the terminal post, or you will damage the laser internal connections. Unscrew the 3 mounting bolts and leave the old source out. Drop the new one in, secure it, and reconnect your power and signal cable immediately, so you don't forget. Stop. Do not put the beam expander and the shutter back in yet. We need an empty bracket to test the beam centering. Install the bracket, but leave the optics on the bench. Tape the bracket and power on. You will notice the screen is locked. That's because the shutter blade is missing. Here is the trick. Open the right door and hold the maintenance button. Now, push the emergency stop, then twist it to release. This forces a system reset and bypasses the shutter check. Now, you have control. Go to Menu, Alignment, select Laser 1, set power to 30 and pulse to 100. Press Laser to fire. Check the tape. You want a clean hole exactly in the center. If the mark isn't centered, we adjust. For horizontal, loosen these 4 screws. It's inverted. Slide the bracket left to move the beam right. Raising the front of the source moves the beam down. Once the mark is dead center, lock it down. And now you can reinstall your beam expander and shutter. Our new CO2 source is now installed and centered. But we are not quite finished. In the third and last video of our series, we will tackle the final step, the beam alignment. From the whole thunderlaser family, we wish all of you a powerful and creative 2026 year. Hit subscribe to start the new year's right. And I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys.